I'm Jim Miller, corporate chef for Cres Cor. We're here at the Cres Cor William R. Baggett Hospitality and Conference Center. We're going to take a look at cooking with our QuikTherm ovens today, and we'll also get into some roast and hold ovens and hopefully smoking, different things down the road. But this is the first in a series of videos that we're going to do for you. Never hesitate to call if you have any questions.
We're going to take a look at baking off some cookies. Who doesn't love a nice fresh baked cookie, the smell, the warmth, the aroma. So what we'll do with the Cres Cor QuikTherm oven, power's on. We want to push the cook button. We will take the oven all the way to the 350 degrees. Push set. We really won't be holding them, so we'll just go with the 160 degrees that's there. Cooking time, we want to take that up to, I'm going to say 17 minutes. And again, I'm going to do about 3 pans of cookies, so that should be plenty. Now the oven will preheat, go up to the 350 degrees from the holding temperature it was at. When it's ready, we'll load the cookies. All right, the oven's preheated now, and the display is showing us push start, so we'll grab our cookies right now. Got some frozen cookie dough, nice colorful festive cookies. Load onto the baking paper, ready to go, so we just push start, and we're off and baking. Now that the timer has counted down, the cookies should be ready to come right out of the oven. Smell great. Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision.
If you see the low water switch illuminated, it's like, oops, I need to add a little bit of water to the control. That's all that means. It's not going to hurt anything. So just simply get another pitcher of water and you can add it to the water tank down below. Here we have the humidity water tank for the QuikTherm oven. Simply remove the cover. You'll see the heating element down below that'll heat the water. And there's also 2 float valves. Just fill it with 4 gallons of water. Replace the top. And you're ready to go. In draining to clean out the water tank in the bottom of the unit, you can slide the oven over a floor drain in the kitchen, long as one is available. If not, you can also take a 12 by 20 pan, slide it beneath the unit itself, and then do the same process. Just pull that green handle toward the front. That'll open the front drain valve, and you can get the water out of the unit for cleaning and sanitizing. For tool, we do have a guideline for you that's set up for retherming most of the normal foods that are used in every school food service operation. So you can find these online at our website at crescor.com, or simply reach out to us, send us a note, and we'd be more than happy to send you some laminated ones to put on your ovens till your people get acclimated to the oven itself. Okay, well, we just wanted to thank you for taking the time to learn a bit more about the QuikTherm oven from Cres Cor, and we will continue to do different food items and different things to help you along. If you see something that you're curious about, please get in touch with us. You can reach us on the 800 number or at the website at crescor.com, and we thank you for your patronage and all your support. Have a great day.